Hello, it's Monday the 18th of September. This is going to be day 4 of our work on the railway carriage. It's so windy, it's so wet outside that I'm filming this just before we start in the house. Obviously with grinding I'm going to have some goggles on. Don't I look good in this? Unfortunately none of this wood is salvageable, but some of it might go on the fire or garden fire or whatever. For some of you who've been watching the video up till now, this was a door at one point, but some of the building's gone, and now we have only a skeleton of the building. Ha ha. Some of you will say to me, well, it's only half a skeleton. Well, the good thing is that only half the building's been lost. I think I'll be on 1,000 years doing that. Woohoo! I've picked a thin one, and that seems to have gone through quite quickly. That's good. Maybe I should pick rusty ones to start with. That looks like a rusty one down there. Let's see. Take the easy ones out first, or maybe not. I wonder who stole me mash hammer. Methinks I know. Hopefully tomorrow's work will be on video soon. If you liked the video, please press the like button, the bell for future notifications, and consider subscribing. Thank you.
think I'll be on 1,000 years doing that.